Kahit umalog yung bus, wala akong nararamdaman.
Grabe. Actually, I was telling the production, Direk Lauren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mga big stars ng katulad ng Bini.
Yes, diba? Our superstars right here. No, never. Especially to us blues. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tulog slide.
Thank you. Oh, ito na. Naghahanda na siya. So, pinili natin ang nag-candidate, Bini Sheena!
Sheena, kaya ba ba?
Sabi ko maharap lang.
Maharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So kailangan may world tour entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?